Hello guys, welcome to this channel. I hope you guys are doing well. Today in this video, I'm going to teach you to sign up to your Zoom account. Firstly, make sure that you are connected to your Wi-Fi and you have installed Zoom app in your device. This process is similar in both Android and iOS device. Now let's get started. Open your Zoom app. At the bottom, you can see sign up and sign in. Tap on sign up. Now fill up your date of birth. After you are done, tap on confirm. Now you have to fill up your email address, first name and last name. After you are done, you can tap on sign up on the blue icon. Now activation email has been sent by Zoom to your Gmail account. Go and check your Gmail. Here I am opening my Gmail app. At the top I can see Zoom has sent me the link for Zoom account activation. I'm going to tap on that. Now tap on activate account on that orange icon. Here I can choose any of the browser to open the link. I will be using the Chrome. Tap on open. Tap on accept cookies on that blue icon. Now you have to choose suitable password for your Zoom account. Password must be very strong. Confirm your password here. After you are done, you can tap on continue. Here you can invite your colleagues and friends by entering their email address, but for now I'm not going to do that. Here at the bottom you can see I'm not a robot. You have to mark tick on the small box. Here I go. Now after you are done, tap on skip this process. Here I go. Here you can start the meeting now. Also you can tap on go to my account. For now I will be tapping on go to my account. In this way you can sign into your Zoom account. Also you can invite your friends for the Zoom meeting. I hope this video helped you. At last, make sure to like, share and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.